In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on to activate it, and wait for available devices to show up after hitting Pair New Device. Now tap on the chosen one. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear next to your device and hit Forget. Then tap on Forget Device in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!